Hello everyone. Today we will make a delicious dinner. Let's go.
If you only have bread and eggs in your kitchen, you are lucky because you can make this delicious recipe. The first thing is to break the egg in a container. Remember to add a little salt and stir well. This step is optional, but you can do it. Turn on. Add butter. And we add the eggs. Now we add the bread as follows. Finally, we turn and serve. You can do it with cheese and sausage. And finally, it's time to test.